Hello students, we have already discussed the meaning of polar dielectric. Now here we are going to discuss a material that is non-polar dielectric. Now suppose we have a dielectric made of nitrogen only. So bonding between two atoms of nitrogen can be shown like this. In this condition, since the electronegativity of both nitrogen is same and hence there is no dispersion of electron cloud, so there is no induced charge on any of the two atoms. Similarly, if we have dielectric made of oxygen or dielectric made of a material that is CH4 or benzene that is C6H6, so there is no permanent polarization of electronic cloud over any of these atoms, and hence when these materials are used to make a dielectric, such dielectrics behave as a non-polar dielectric. Okay, so we have discussed two type of dielectrics, one where charge is induced over the surface, that is called polar dielectric, and one where there is no induced charge over any of the part of the material, that is non-polar dielectric. Okay, thank you students.